Hello traders, welcome back to Pitch Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in gold. We'll start the analysis from the 4 hours time frame and slowly go down to the 5 minutes time frame, and in all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference in your trades. Let us start with the analysis. So I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at overall price action, it is still trading within a symmetric triangle pattern from the daily time frame. So it is still a range bound market when we look at the price action overall from the daily time frame. And also we know that previously the price action has tested this resistance line of the symmetric triangle pattern and bounce back happened. Again, next time also it went on a bullish trend and tested this resistance line of the symmetric triangle pattern, and a trend reversal has happened. So after the trend reversal, we can notice that it was still continuing its bearish trend, and it came to the level of 1763, then went on a bullish trend, formed a triple top pattern, then continued its bullish trend again, tested this resistance line, then it is on a retracement, and this area between 1792 and 1780 is acting as a very strong support, and it had acted as a very strong resistance in the past also. So presently the information we have from the past price action that this area is very strong support and resistance level for now. So we can expect the similar support or resistance to be repeated in the current price action also. And also we know that the price action has completed its bullish trend and has broken this trend line support level and has fallen on a bearish trend. So currently I am expecting a similar pattern which had happened in the past to be repeated over here. So which means once the price action breaches this support level, which is going to be around 1780, we can expect a price action to consolidate within this support and resistance level of 1780 and 1763. And if the price action doesn't breach this support level, we can expect a bullish trend to start and take resistance at the level of 1810, and a consolidation to happen within this support and resistance level. So wait for it to break on the bullish side or on the bearish side to go on a directional trade. Or if you are a scalper, you can be doing trades within this support and resistance levels. But in overall, when we see the price action, from here it started its bullish trend, which was around 1763, and it was on a continuous bullish trend. So when we see the retracement, it has stopped at the level of 1780. So there are more spaces for it to retrace. So next level of support is going to be around 1763 once it breaks this 1780 level. So there is more bearish trend still remaining in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in yellow color boxes are support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame, and we have the daily time frame support level and the daily time frame resistance level over here. Once the price action breaks this daily time frame support level, we can expect a next level of support from the higher time frame to be at 1763. We can expect a sideways market or further fall in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we notice the price action in hourly time frame, the price action was trading in a very nice downtrend, and it took support at the support level of 1780. It is the support level from the higher time frame, and it has bounced back. Currently the price action is testing the resistance level of 1792. Only when it breaks this resistance level, we can expect a bullish trend. Otherwise we can expect a sideways market within this support and resistance level and further fall in this currency pair, because from the 4 hours time frame we know that the bullish trend started from this support level of 1763. So we can expect further fall and retrace to the 100%. So we have the daily time frame trend line also, or the support line over here. So wait for it to break this trend line and the support area, then go on a bearish side trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values marked in white color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the market is in a sideways. Wait for it to break on the bullish side or on the bearish side to go on a directional trade. But the trend is still in a bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. I have drawn a trend line over here to let you know the current direction of the price action, and it was on a very nice downtrend and took support on the support level of 1780, and it has bounced back because this support level is from the higher time frame, and currently the price action is testing the resistance level of 1792, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the next level of resistance to be around 1812, and if the price action doesn't manage to break it, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair, and next level of support is going to be around 1763. The price action is currently trading within this support and resistance level from the higher time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. Values in blue color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has formed a double bottom shape, and it is currently testing the neckline of the double bottom price action. If it breaks this resistance line, we can expect a retracement up to the level of 1799. If the bullish trend still continues, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance from the higher time frame, which is going to be around 1812. And if the price action fails to break this resistance level, we can expect it to retrace and test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1772. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. The price action in 5 minutes time frame was in a very nice downtrend. You can see the resistance line being respected. It has gone up, tested this resistance line, then retraced, again consolidated within this support level of 1780. Then again it started its bullish trend. Currently the price action is trying to break this resistance level of 1792, and you can also see a red color candle being formed, which is a sign that price is getting rejected at this resistance level of 1792. So we can expect the price action to retrace and take support on this trend line, again bounce back to test this resistance level of 1792. As long as this resistance level is holding, we can expect a range bound market to continue. So you can draw trend lines like this to note the direction of the price action, and once the price action breaches this support line or the trend line, you can go on a bearish side trades. We can expect it to take support on this trend line or take support on the higher time frame support level of 1780. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently you can notice that the candlesticks getting rejected at the price level of 1792. We can expect a trend reversal on this currency pair. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support and share this video with your friends.